Hello hikers, welcome back to African Hiker. I'm Anita and I make videos about various hiking trails in Africa and what to eat on those hikes. We have just hiked the Leopard Trail. Can you see? Look at my t-shirt, Gobaviaans Cliff, Leopard Trail. Anyway, it is a 4-day hike and it's a slack packing hike, which means you don't have to worry about weight, which means you can pack all your favorite food on this hike. It does not matter. You do not have to carry it. You can live your best life, eat what you want, and indulge. And the huts have fully equipped kitchens, so you really can make anything, like anything. Here's what our group ate. For breakfast, I had my usual chocolate oats and I added a banana in them. Luke looks like he's eating just dry muesli.
No.
To each his own.
No, I have the same pink ones.
Breakfast of champions.
Yay.
But they're too short.
This is a true champion here.
This is like, this person's killing her.
Look at it. She is winning in life.
Who is that? Who is that? Isabel.
Yes. For lunch, most of the group had wraps or tortillas. The common filling was cheese, peanut butter, and meat from the previous night. Also leftovers. Some people ate leftovers for lunch. For more wrap filling ideas, check out this video over here. For dinner, now the fun begins. I'm gonna play the footage I took. You must just look and see what's all there on the table, but I will add it in the description, everything listed, so that, you know, yeah.
And a beer for you, man.
Thank you.
So what's in here? Potato? Ham? What are you having, Cesar?
Pork sausages?
And pork
Ever
sausages.
cheese and sausages.
She is keto. Everyone's on a keto diet. The only true hiker.
Not so sure.
And there's my potato.
Turned.
Thank you. Now they cut up.
Is there not more?
My couscous and quinoa.
This is not couscous,
Quinoa
quinoa.
and spring onion and garlic and
And
olives.
and your sausages and beans, and you're having trout and eggs.
That looks more like a breakfast.
It does look like breakfast. He's just having grapes. And here's my dinner. And here is the famous sunsets that we are all recording. Number one on the list was meat, and Paul cooked all of his meat on the first night, and it actually lasted him until the last day. Bernard and Zeza, they did the same thing, and yeah, they just kept the meat in their cooler box and it was good to go. Every evening they'll just heat it up and eat it. They're alive. It was fine. I didn't know that meat could last that long, but apparently when it's cooked, it does extend the amount of days you can keep it. But what was even more surprising was that on day 3, I think, Isabel just like pulls out some smoked trout from her cooler box. I was like, but guess what? It was fine. It was perfectly fine. I think I ate half a packet. I love smoked trout. Absolutely love it. So yeah. There is also a potjie pot. We didn't make a potjie, but this is the perfect setting for a potjie. Like where else? Bernard made us this fire. Just a tip, when you're packing food for the Leopard Trail, don't be shy, okay? Don't be shy. Pack extra. Our group arrived at the huts before 2 p.m. each day. So if you guys are avid hikers, chances are you'll also be there pretty early and you're gonna want a snack. So don't run out of snacks. Pack food. Once again, in the description, I have listed all the food that we brought. Please, in the comments, add yours. Let others know what you enjoyed eating on the Leopard Trail, because remember, my experiences are just mine. Someone else will benefit from reading your experiences. Thank you so much for joining me, and remember to like, share, subscribe, and yeah, goodbye.
This thing you eat. Oh God.
Don't do that. Blow. Don't swing, blow.